There you go.
Hey, what's up? How are you today? I'm at this car show, and wow, check it out. These beautiful cars. It's a beautiful day. I love this car. Look at these stripes. Look at the stripes here. We have all kinds of stuff going on. We have water slides for the kids. And look at this cute little one. This is a speedster. Check out this speedster. I love this cute little car. Wow, I feel like I would love to attract a car like this into my life. Ooh, this is a Porsche. Wow, look at this Porsche. Wow, check it out. So if anybody would love to donate a car like this, I would love to be a good receiver. So check it out. I love this, and hey, look at this. It's fancy. Look how much hard work they put into this. Isn't it beautiful? This is a Super Deluxe 8. Wow, look at that. Someone put their heart into this car. And check out the inside. It's all been done such a nice job. So we're having a great day here. The kids are having fun, doing water slides. We got this Plymouth. It's beautiful. Look at this one. Isn't this a beautiful convertible? Road runner. Check this one out. Looks like they'll go really fast. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful car. Ooh, and look at that engine. Look at that engine. Ooh, that's a pretty engine. Look at that. Sparkly clean. Wow, they got some hard workers around here. All right. It says, in memory of Randy King. All right, so we're having a great day here in Salem, Oregon. Got some old Chevys over there.
Is this cool or what?
Yes, it's cool. Check this one out. It's the old Chevrolet.
Oh my God.
We got a Corvette here. A beautiful Corvette. We got an old school Ford here. Check this one out. Beautiful. Thank you. That's a good looking car. Thank you. Wow, look at that. Ooh, this one is for sale. 1977 MG. Wow, I wish I would have had some money saved. I could have bought this. 1977. Wow, I was 7 years old. The phone number is 503-949-5775.
Like a card?
Sure, sure. So check it out. We're having a beautiful day here in Salem, Oregon, and lots of friendly people. Aloha.